Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at really just a time capsule. 1984 Chevrolet Z28, all original, 33,000 mile, two-owner car. I bought the car locally here from an older gentleman. Awesome car, guys. It is like going back to 1984 and driving off the Chevrolet dealership with an 84Z. All original paint. He said everything's original on it. He had to do a repair on the radio, and then he just in 2019 put all brand new Goodyear rubber all the way around it. Other than that, he said this car is completely original. Original paint, original striping, original interior, you name it. We do have a lot of the original documentation, any service, oil changes and stuff like that he did to the car. But nice car, man. T-tops, of course, factory black car with a gray bottom with the red striping. It's got the factory charcoal cloth interior. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick, guys. Like I say, you can see a couple little marks on the car, but this was this guy's baby. Matter of fact, his only request, find it a good home. Said he's just getting up there in age, so he just wanted to sell the car and try to find it a good home. But beautiful paint. One thing that I do have, I've ordered, it's going to need the new not prop rods, the new things that hold the hood up, the gas shocks. I've ordered those, so those are on the way. But other than that, the car really is turnkey ready. Gorgeous car. Again, T-tops, original T-top bags are in the back here. Loaded with options. You can see the rear defog. Of course, bought brand new at Stadium Chevrolet, which isn't even around anymore. All the paperwork's there for that. Power trunk release, it works. Everything on the car works. I didn't find anything that did not work. Again, if you want to nitpick some little things, obviously it's got 80s paint on it, which is still very nice. I mean, in excellent shape. But it is original. Again, brand new rubber in 2019. There is a receipt in there for that. Stock aluminum wheels. Oh, always missed a little wax there. I mean, you can tell this car has lived a babied life, guys. Copy of the original A title is in those receipts. But it is a super slick car. Again, we got a prop rob here, open it up. I've ordered the new gas shocks for it, they're on the way. Factory 5.0 liter HO, V8 engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake, exhaust manifolds. All that stuff is original. Factory air, yes it works, power steering, power disc brakes. Again, all your original tags, everything's on the car. Like I say, it looks like you just drove it out of the Chevrolet dealership. Automatic overdrive transmission. Like I say, just like it came out of the factory. Beautiful, beautiful car, man. mean, you can tell this guy loved this car. It's always been in heated, air-conditioned storage. And all your original door tags and everything are there. Factory interior, power locks, remote mirror, power driver's seat. All that stuff works. Again, rear defog, it works. Bucket seats, console, tilt, cruise, it works. And again, you can tell by this 80s interior, this car has just lived an easy, easy life. Oh, it's got a little, you can see that back headliner drooping a little bit. It's one thing you can pick. 33,371 on your odometer, tach, gauges, everything works. Factory Delco am-fm-cassette. Dash pad's beautiful. His cassette collection goes with it. It's in the center console there. Power windows. Stock exhaust. Factory rear end. Factory jack with spares. Still in here, all mounted and everything. You can see the original owner's manuals, the sales brochure. Again, everywhere you look, man, this car's beautiful. Original T-top bags. Again, some service stuff. This is all the original stuff when the guy bought it new. Again, there's also a copy of the title in here, brochure. Car has lived an easy, easy life. Got some pictures of the bottom. It's just like it came out of the factory. My guy's missing a little dust there. Seats are nice. I mean, it is just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. The passenger seats manual. It's just a little, I'm not sure what that is. It's a little dust or something, guys. Like I say, man, this thing is a time capsule. Mirrors are nice. Turnkey, runs and drives excellent. Click your air on. You should just have to push it over one spot. It does work. Click it over to max. Go ahead and shut this. Go ahead and shut. You have to shut that. You'll hear it kick on. Like I say, it blows cold. Tach works. All the gauges are functional. Light, yep. Backup lights. All that stuff works. Choke works. Give it a little rev. Let's say just a beautiful, beautiful car. Turn your radio on, should be on, I think. It all works. Wipers, cruise works too, guys. Wipers. One's young. I don't know if he knows how to turn his wipers on. There he goes. Yep. Should pull out. There you go. Yep. Turn signals. 4. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.